In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Google Home app. So if you want to update the Google Home app, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the search interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Google Home. Type in Google Home and search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is find the application for Google Home and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and update. If you do not see the update option over here, that means your application is already updated. But if you see the update option, what you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After the application has been updated, you'll be able to use the latest version of the application with latest feature and smoother performance. So like this, you'll be able to update it. So that is how you update Google Home app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.